Let me share with you some great new finds from my latest trip to the Dollar Tree. Right now, Dollar Tree's summer offerings are in full force. From fun and quirky flamingos and coconut mugs to brightly colored wall decor and everything tiki and tropical, this decor screams relaxing in the sun. If you're looking to play in the sun instead of relaxing, check out all of these fun outdoor activity items. Sidewalk chalk, sand pails, and fun games for the beach, the lake, the pool, or the park. And who doesn't love bubbles? Check out this huge bubble wand. And I think these wands are in the shape shown on the handle. How cool is that? While you're outside, you'll need sandals, flip-flops in SoCal, thongs in the Midwest. Anyway, with such a great selection at only $1.25, you'll want a variety of colors and designs. I also noticed these children's sandals with a back strap. Littles sometimes struggle with backless sandals, so this back strap is really helpful. I can't walk through Dollar Tree without checking out crafting supplies, and I think they're really increasing their stencil offerings. These would be great for your DIYs. I especially like this Choose Happy, and I think I'll do a wall piece with it. And while the koala is my spirit animal, I definitely am fueled by coffee. You know Dollar Tree is the go-to place for organizers, and I love these soft summer colors. These would be great to organize those outside game and activity items, and put a bucket with several pairs of sandals by the door, and you're always ready to head out to new adventures. I love using my slow cooker in the summer, and over in the kitchen area, I was really happy to see these oven bags. You can use these as a liner for your slow cooker crock to make cleanup quick and easy. I love these sunflower themed dishes and kitchen accessories. They work for both summer and moving into fall, so if you're looking to add a seasonal theme to your kitchen decor, be sure to grab them now. Dollar Tree has had these marble plates and bowls for a while, and I think they look so classic. Use a plate and a bowl as a serving tray and dip bowl, or turn the bowl over and glue the plate to the top, and you'll have an elegant serving or display tray. I've seen these blue checked plates, but not the gray ones, and never any of the other accessory items. These are plastic, so would be a great addition to your outdoor picnic supplies. And if you're looking for something a bit brighter, check out these fruit-themed items. I can't believe how huge these cups are. I needed a new bath fluff for my travel bag, and what did I find? A koala. Not exactly the style I was looking for, but I definitely bought it. This summer, whether you're looking for quick decor, activities for the kids, or even a koala scrubby, the Dollar Tree has you covered. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, watch another video, and maybe even join the koala crew by subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you have a koala-ty day.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that.